Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers and my respected teacher. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Fourth International Conference on Biosciences to give me opportunity to present my topic on to present my topic. I am Bibi Azra, Department of Microbiology, Kuhat University of Science and Technology, Kuhat, Pakistan. The research topic, title of my research topic is Prevalence and Antibiogram Assay of Salmonella species isolated from poultry of district Kuhat. Introduction. Foodborne illness are a major public health problem throughout the world. Salmonella species are a major foodborne pathogen causing illness and economic costs worldwide. Salmonella are gram-negative, rod-shaped, non-spore-forming bacteria. Most sewers of Salmonella are widely distributed in nature and are found in the intestine of domestic and wild animals. Food containing products from farm animals are an important source of human Salmonella infection. Transmission of Salmonella to human is usually by consumption of undercooked meat, poultry, and dairy products and other cross-examined food. The symptoms of salmonellosis range from mild to severe and can be fatal if not treated successfully. Distribution through worldwide. Salmonella are among the most common bacterial foodborne pathogen worldwide. They can cause an estimated 1.4 million cases of foodborne disease each year in the United States alone. How we can diagnose Salmonella? Isolation and identification of parasitobacteria and detection of antibodies using serological examination. Voluntary control. Use serology to detect infected flocks. Objective of my research topic is number one, to investigate the prevalence of Salmonella species isolated from poultry of district Kuhat, to determine morphological biochemical characterization of Salmonella species from poultry in district Kuhat. Number three, to analyze antibiotic susceptibility against Salmonella. These are the lab work and microscopic view of my research. Number first, a total 15 meat sample were collected from the retail and dairy farms. And these samples were stored in sterilized plastic container and icebox and brought to the Department of Microbiology, Guwahati University of Science and Technology. Isolation and identification of Salmonella. In first page, these are the plate media of SS agar Salmonella, SS agar of Salmonella, approximately 25 gram of meat was excised from each collected sample, minced and placed in buffer peptone water or bichai broth is per pre-enrichment media and incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 18 or 24 hour. Allocates from the pre-enrichment were incubated and to selective enrichment liquid media at a ratio of 1 to 10 in a selenite 16 broth and incubated at 37 degrees centigrade for 24 hours. At the end of incubation, a loop full of broth was streaked onto plates of Salmonella, Shigella, agar, and xylose lysine deoxycholate agar. The temperature and the period of incubation were standardized at 37 degrees centigrade for 24 hours respectively. Suspected colony of Salmonella from each plate were collected for a presumptive identification by their morphological characterization and by chemical tests. The primary test included gram staining. These are the gram staining view of microscopic catalase. The last one is a slide of catalase which show the bubble, which means these are the Salmonella positive oxidase and oxidase and the tubes show the citrate utilization test, which means that the slant are blue color, which means that these are the Salmonella positive tests. And the last one is antibiotics views, and these zones, these are two clearly zones which are penicillin and penicillin and ciprofloxacin, which these are the sensitive, and the three zones which show, and the one is more resistant, which means that these are the resistance zones of the antibiotics. Results: prevalence of Salmonella species age-wise. 6 months and 1 year sample size is 15, and 6 months sample Salmonella positive were 7, and Salmonella negative were 5, and 1 year sample size is 15, which Salmonella positive is 10, and Salmonella negative are 8. Gender wise sample size is 15. Male sample size is 6, which is Salmonella positive is 4, and Salmonella negative is 2. Female sample size is 15, which is Salmonella positive or 7, and Salmonella negative or 1. And this means that the female are more prevalent than male, and are more suspected and are more infected than male. Area wise, I select 3 regions which are Chickercoat, Jungle Hill, and Tuhbala. Sample size from Chickercoat is 5, and Jungle Hill is 5, and Tuhbala are also 5. Sample collection from Chickercoat is 5, which shows Salmonella positive over 3 and Salmonella negative over 2. And Jungle Hill sample size is 5, which is 1 is positive and 4 are negative. And Tobala sample size is 5, which is Salmonella positive is 0, and Salmonella negative over 5. Antibiotics. I apply 5 antibiotics. Which is penicillin, ampicillin, erythromycin, gentamicin, and ciprofloxacin. Ampicillin are not resistant but are sensitive to Salmonella infection, and ampicillin are resistant but not sensitive. Erythromycin are sensitive but not resistant. Gentamicin are sensitive or also sensitive but not resistant, and ciprofloxacin are resistant, which means that penicillin, erythromycin, and gentamicin are sensitive, and they can be treated Salmonella infection in future, and these are recommended. Conclusion: it is concluded from the current study that the female frogs were more infected. As I show in my results that the female are more infected and they show more severe diarrhea infection. In future recommendation, I recommend three of my points from my study, which I recommended in the future. Number 1 is further epidemiological study will carry out Salmonella infection in poultry of district Buhato. Number 2, molecular and therapeutic measure is recommended to be performed. Number 3, awareness campaign may be arranged in study area about Salmonella infection and control measure. People will be aware about a Salmonella infection and their control measure and poultry products to to enhance their health about these infection, and they can be very careful about the poultry products, and they can be treated medically. Thank you, viewers, for your kindly attention. Thanks to all my teachers and my viewers. Allah Hafiz.